Everyone who here. I'm from Vietnam. I just use the AC not so long time, but I have many success story. And today I can share some story with you. I have the one patient, the 55, and she have the
aortic about 75% blocked. The doctor asked her to change the valve. So she picked SOP twice a day. After 14 days, doctor said, I don't need surgery. And she doesn't need surgery anymore. So she has, Dr. Susan has actually many similar cases in Vietnam. That's why she loves the product so much, although it's quite difficult to get it into Vietnam. So she has another case, 55-year-old patient on dialysis 3 times a week, itching for 1 year and insomnia, 2 AFC for 1 day, and slept well. Blood sugar 14 down to 8 after 3 days. 14 down to 8 after 3 days. And blood pressure 199 over 120, also down to 161 and 80 after only 2 months. Amazing result, right? As you keep showing me more and more testimony. So can you, maybe you can explain here. This 8-year-old patient had an abscess for 1 year. The doctor did not dare to operate because it was too close to the carotid artery. So I gave him Usud 2 times a day for 40 days. It softened. The doctor incised a lot of pus and healed after a few days. So only few days.
She have the cancer about 13 years ago, and now after 13 years ago come again. And now she have the bone, have the gut bone, and already have the diabetes. And after it take only about the 10 days, about Usu, and it's a clinic. I have many testimony, and I will share on the group. And I come here to share my success. And thank you for this role. Already has support me, and I would like to get the experience from everywhere, and I can help the people who will get more.
Help more people to heal, especially in Vietnam, because the medical care there is not as good, not as advanced as other places. So Dr. Susan will be cooperating, working together with a lot of hospitals. She has a lot of group, a lot of connection to hospitals and clinics. She herself is teaching classes every single month. So there will be a lot of doctors with her, and they will start AFC. So you will see more and more doctors in AFC teams, right?
Prepare the with the dialysis patient because it help them very fast. Yeah, diabetes can come very fast now. Yeah. From 14, 17, and after only Sunday and down to the 7, and cannot to take the ACE before the ACE 2 times. They need only one Sunday after. Thank you, everyone.